Speaking of the drought, we're going to have a special report at 6 o'clock tonight about our drought, where we go from here. We're also going to be talking about our heat wave, kind of a heat wave rewind, because it's just about over with, this 90-degree weather. We thought we might have been done with it until today. We added one more day today to that all-time record, 90 degrees, the high temperature at Mabry today, and 90 out at ABIA, making this the 163rd day that we have seen 90-degree weather here in 2011. Could potentially be the last. We certainly don't have any more in our 7-day forecast. So I know you know that we've had a lot of heat records, but until you see them in the context that we're going to put them in at 6 o'clock tonight, it's hard to really put it in perspective. So be with us tonight for our special report on the heat wave and the drought at 6. Well, here's what we have coming our way now. The front moving in tomorrow that will be dropping us below 90 degrees will also be bringing a lot of wind with it. A wind advisory has been issued for most of our area, with gusts expected between 35 and 40 miles per hour tomorrow. For that reason, we have also been placed in a red flag warning from noon to 7 tomorrow. Very high fire danger. Any fires that do develop will spread out of control very, very rapidly. So let's all do our part to make sure that does not happen. And if you see smoke or smell smoke tomorrow, be sure to report it, because those fires can happen quickly. This may be the gustiest wind tomorrow that we've seen since the terrible wildfires started on Labor Day weekend. You'll recall those winds were at times 40 to 45 miles per hour. This won't be quite that high, but still gusting to near 40 potentially at times. Okay, here's our evening planning forecast. We're still very warm now, 89 degrees by 10 o'clock tonight, maybe a few clouds, and 76. 91 out in Llano, 88 in Burnett, 90 in Marble Falls, metro area, upper 80s to 90, 90 up in Georgetown, 90 down in San Marcos, and a couple of 90s to the east, including Cameron and down in Lockhart. In Austin, it's 89 and clear. The airport, it's still 90 and clear. Winds 7 to 18 miles per hour. Sunset is all the way up to 657 tonight. Mold count still high. It's gradually trending down, though. Still 3,500 plus today, though. Fall Elm 473 is also high, and ragweed at 133 is medium. Look at these warm temperatures around Texas. 88 in Dallas, 95 in Abilene, 89 down in Corpus. But then look here. Amarillo, 64 degrees. There's your cold front. Leading edge of the cooler air is now moving through the Texas Panhandle. Not much precipitation associated with this front, nor will there be. There may be some thunderstorms in North Texas, but in our area, if anything develops at all, it would very likely be in our extreme eastern or northeastern counties late tonight. This is 3 a.m. after the front blows through the metro area. Once the front blows through your area, no more rain chance. Winds steadily start increasing out of the north. So real windy day tomorrow and a cooler day as well. Winds will diminish on Wednesday. All right, temperatures tonight, well, toward morning after the front moves in, we get a chance to drop down into the 50s. And then tomorrow night and then the next night will be much cooler as that cool weather settles in. Look at these highs tomorrow. Not only do we not make it to 90, we don't make it to 80 tomorrow, in the 70s, and we're going to enjoy several days in the 70s. Few clouds with the front after midnight, maybe an isolated shower way east. 58 in the morning, winds go north, then winds kick up 20 to 30 on average, gusting 35 to 40 tomorrow with mostly sunny skies, and again a high in the 70s. We think we can do it again Wednesday, keep it in the 70s, maybe Thursday too. And look at those morning lows. They're going to fall into the 40s for the first time this season in Austin. That could translate into some 30s in the hill country by Wednesday and Thursday mornings.